Now, the Maharashtra Chamber of Housing Industry, that's MCHI-CREDAI, held its annual property expo recently. It is considered as an important market event to gauge the mood of the home buyer and investor in the Mumbai metropolitan region. From end-user demand to the expected price trends, Nikhil Sivadas brings you the readings from the expo.
The MCHI-CREDAI Property Fair is one of the biggest expos out there, attracting thousands of home buyers while showcasing projects from all over the Mumbai metropolitan region. But this time around, the expo didn't have potential home buyers very impressed.
That is very, very costly. And this is second stall I went.
They are telling this is the rate once you say visit the site, and if you are about to book the things and all, then we may consider something. As of now, they are not telling that the rate which they are quoting is not the discounted rate as such.
While the expo witnessed a large turnout with visitors intent on buying property, analysts say high pricing and a lack of product availability put buyers off. A report from Elara Securities indicated that quoted prices were 5 to 10% higher than those quoted in last year's expo, while ready possession flats, the most in-demand product, constituted only about 5% of the products on offer, while nearly 67% of projects would only be ready after 24 months. Clearly, buyers were not interested.
It's one of those rare occasions where MCHI exhibition has not pulled that much of a crowd. And I think main reason for that is the pricing. While new projects that are launched are relatively cheaper, less expensive than projects under construction, but still the market's definition of affordable or market's willingness to pay a particular price, there were very few projects that were aligned to that expectation.
On the other hand, there was a silver lining for buyers willing to take the plunge. Builders went out of their way to help buyers tie up beneficial home finance schemes. And for those showing a clear intent to purchase a home, they were even offering immediate discounts of 5 to 10%.
Definitely discounts are coming up. People come up with the launches. As a matter of fact, every developer would try to position their launch or pre-launches during exhibition. And that's how they have been able to offer lowest rates, or whatever rates which they are going to offer in next month, there will be some substantial discount.
While the number of enquiries reached an average of 2,000 per day, it'll still take another 3 to 4 months to see how many of these actually convert into sales. In the meantime, developers say the expo also acts as a platform to build up brand recognition in anticipation of better times ahead.
When we remain in an exhibition, an entire MMR region customer comes and visits our stalls. And as and when we come up with the projects in that other region, brand awareness is also penetrating in the buyer's mindset.
Developers are hoping sentiment will improve going ahead. But considering that they still refuse to cut prices and that buyers are unwilling to pay such high ticket prices, the staring contest between buyers and developers continues. Now it's only a question of who will blink first. From Mumbai, Nikhil Sivadas, NDTV.